Hello everyone, I'm Huma Qureshi and I welcome you to our special health series, Aapke Liye, an anemia awareness program from Ajanta Pharma, wherein we dive into conversations around everyday health concerns that often get overlooked and one such issue that affects millions of people, especially women, but often goes undiagnosed or ignored: anemia. If you've ever felt unusually tired, dizzy, please don't ignore, as this might be something worth paying attention to and help us understand what anemia really is and why it matters. I'm joined by an expert who will walk us through the science, causes, and most importantly, what we can do about it. Doctor, please help us understand what iron deficiency anemia is and how common it is amongst Indian women, especially during pregnancy.
Iron deficiency anemia means your body does not have enough iron to make healthy red blood cells. Without enough iron, your blood cannot carry enough oxygen, which makes you feel tired and weak. In India, this is very common. Almost 1 in 2 women will have some kind of anemia, and especially during the reproductive age group and pregnancy.
So, what is the ideal hemoglobin level for women both during pregnancy and otherwise? And what are the main causes of iron deficiency anemia in both these groups? Do the risk factors differ?
For a healthy woman, the hemoglobin should be around 12 grams per deciliter or above. And for a pregnant woman, ideally should be above 11 grams per deciliter. But in my daily practice, I often see women with much lower levels, and many come with a hemoglobin of 8 to 9 grams or sometimes even lower.
So, what are the signs and symptoms of iron deficiency anemia during pregnancy, and how does it affect the mother and the fetus?
In pregnancy, the body need for iron often increases because iron is needed for both mother and the baby. If the need is not met, iron deficiency anemia develops. And the common signs and symptoms shows tiredness, weakness, feeling exhausted even after rest, pale skin, lips, nails, dizziness, frequent headaches, shortness of breath while doing even routine activities, increased heartbeat, in severe cases, swelling in feet, and even fainting episodes.
So, does the Indian diet meet the increased iron needed during pregnancy? And what are the possible detrimental effects of anemia on the mother and fetus?
The typical